Good morning, everyone. We are Friday, August 21st, 2020, and this is a video to close the week number one. This video is for the Math 103, and I will talk to in general, and you will take the information for the section you are in. Remember, there is a section 3, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So in general, for all of you, you should have wrote your lecture note and you should have convert your lecture note into a PDF before to drop the lecture note into the note assignment. For those who have to do the list of problem, which is under content for the section 6.3 and all the other section, add your note to add the problem to your note before to download the lecture on the assignment note. Otherwise, once you have done once, you will be not able to do it twice. So if you have already did it and you cannot no longer post your homework, the problems that you were supposed to solve, and that's okay. Don't worry, you will do it for next week. It's okay. You have the correction of these problems on the YouTube channel. For those who have my MATLAB setup from Mrs. Whale, don't forget to do your discussions. Don't forget to do your problems on my MATLAB. Please, it's very important because otherwise you will be not graded and that will affect your overall grade. This week is the first week. We had to work on a chapter 6.3, but I would encourage each and every one of you, if you want to start 6.6, go ahead. You are the owner of your learning. For those who are specifically with me, and I would also encourage each and every one of you who are not specifically with me to take some time to go be ahead if you can. Okay. If you have any question, don't forget to send me an email. Remember that I will try to answer this email as quick as possible, but someday I receive 50 and someday I receive 125 email. So it takes some time to answer all of them. And sometimes it's just a back and forth with a student. So I really try my best to answer those emails in 48 hours time frame. And even less than that, to tell you the truth. I try to have every day all my email answered, but if in case you are not receiving an answer right away, please be patient and you will have an answer for sure. Unless I decide to send an email for everyone, or I post an announcement for everyone because I have several times the same questions. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have not, you may right now watch the video, but you have not subscribed. Subscribe because every single time you will receive a notification of me posting a video. And I wonder if you are also receiving a notification when I am live. So maybe right now people are watching me and I have no idea. What less, I don't know how to figure it out. So Math 103, this week you should have done 6.3, and next week I will, it's report 6.6 and 6.7, but I will make a video announcement. I would like to remind you also, for those who are specifically with me, that you have retrieval quizzes. And these retrieval quizzes are extremely important because they are part of the process of training you to retrieve information. The step number one is to have the lecture note. The step number two is to have your list of problems. Don't forget at the end of the lecture note to write your summary. And you know what is the summary? It's about reminding to yourself what went right and what went wrong, and if something went wrong, why, and how you were able to succeed it, and if something was right, why it was easy for you. These are very, very important part. The summary is extremely important. So please, I will post shortly, probably during the weekend or so, I will post an example of this Cornell note-taking system done by a student last semester. And actually, even this semester, I already received a absolutely very, very, very good note from student already. So thank you very much. So the step number two would be to do the ritual quizzes. The ritual quizzes are here not to for the grade, because you will have your points. It's all about making sure that you're able to figure it out. Am I able to understand it, to remember what I'm supposed to remember? Am I able to retrieve the information in a exam format in order for me to be able to perform well during the exam? If yes, you're good to go. If not, you are able to figure it out. We can work together about it and help you to achieve your highest potential by improving your ability to retrieve the informations. And I'd like to remind also everybody for all my classes, section 3, 5, 6, or 7, 8. It is very important for you to do the flashcard. Remember, next week when we will do a Zoom session, I will ask you questions, and you are expected to know, or at least from the flashcard, able to retrieve this information. The flashcard is also an excellent way to improve your ability to retrieve the informations, because you can organize your flashcard in the order and then quiz yourself and quiz your peers. And don't forget to use the discussion board to maybe quiz yourself, quiz each other, and that will be a fun way also for you to go over the lectures. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you had a great week. You are all safe. Don't forget to wear your mask, and wear your mask properly. It's very important not to wear the mask barely on the nose, because sometimes I can see students with their nostril, and I have to tell you to wear your mask right there. And if you have some difficulty, pinch a little bit like this, it will fit your face. Wearing the mask is extremely important to avoid to spread the virus. If you you have the virus, and let's be honest, we need to make sure that everybody is safe. So it's a question of respect for everyone when you are at Vincennes University, and hopefully through your community. Be safe, take care. And if you have anything, please let me know, and I will try my best to help you and support you. I wish you a great weekend, and welcome to Vincennes University Fall 2020.